In our company, it's that team effort that gives everyone an experience they want to share. We try to go the extra distance every time, and now our efforts have been repaid with this fantastic 5-star review. When we hear such great feedback from someone who's experienced impeccable service, we're motivated to pay it forward and continue to exceed our 5-star service goal, one experience at a time. It's that simple. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in return, we receive incredible loyalty. Come by and experience our impeccable service today. Thanks for stopping by and watching our video. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to hear from you soon.